Fluffy Japanese soufflé pancakes are a delightful treat that will elevate your breakfast game. Start by separating 2 large eggs yolks in one bowl and whites in another. In the yolk bowl, mix in 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, and a splash of vanilla extract until smooth. Sift in a 1/4 cup of flour and a pinch of baking powder, then whisk until combined. Now, for the magic, beat the egg whites with a touch of cream of tartar until stiff peaks form. Gently fold the whipped whites into the yolk mixture in 3 parts, keeping it light and airy. Heat a non-stick pan on low, grease it lightly, and spoon the batter into tall mounds. Cover with a lid and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side until they're golden and puffed. Stack these fluffy wonders high and top them with powdered sugar, syrup, fresh fruits, or whipped cream. The result? A stunning, jiggly pancake that's sure to impress.